here they are. Today, grasshoppers are on the menu. Did you enjoying? Good morning from Gulu. I'm just introducing this vlog without being fully ready, but I'm almost ready. I just need to do my edges and get dressed. And then we go to church. Let me just try a grasshopper. Okay, lachede. I thought it was a grasshopper. My mistake. In English, yeah. Okay, so here they are. Not too bad.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Okay, I'm about to pick some water from the fresh stream and pour it inside the jerry can. Maybe even drink, I don't know. But we're here, we just finished that church, Miracle Center. I use the... Now, we've just seen this stream. I hope I don't fall.
I also want to drink.
You want to drink as well?
Yes.
You what? Miracle Center, you remember?
Miracle Center. Can I get all the way down there?
Yeah. But be careful.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Not Miracle, Miracle Center.
Miracle.
From this side?
Yeah.
So I have to... Can I step? No. I have to...
You put your leg on that thing.
And can I... Should I pour this? Okay.
No, put your legs on.
On where? No. I'm not going to do that. Okay. So you've already collected from here? So I just pour.
Not there again. You're spoiling it.
You put the jerry can like this.
Like that.
So where are you? Miracle Center.
I'm at Miracle Center Church, just outside.
How was the service?
Yeah, it was nice. Very, very lively.
You like the praise?
I loved it. Not just like.
Not just like.
Not just like love. Water is very fresh and clean. You said I should take from that side, right? Yeah. Am I doing from the right side?
Yeah.
can be oil.
My first time collecting water from a stream, and it was fun. Papaya, yummy. Do you like papaya? Let me know, leave a comment. I love this fruit. It's a baby. Okay, so we're grabbing some papaya now.
Do well.
What should I wait for?
Turn here.
Oh, okay, yes. Oh, perfect. All right, so we are at Golden Peace. I am being introduced to a brand new place by Kali and Mr. Bixby himself.
Yo, fire, bro.
I'm finally back home, guys. We just kind of chilled at Golden Peace for a while. I'm not sure if I actually said the name, but it's actually Golden Peace. So now it's tea time. So I'm definitely gonna have some milk tea. I had lemon tea this morning, but this evening I'm gonna have milk tea and a bit of bread and end the evening like that. I'm not sure what else we're gonna get up to. I don't know if it's dancing, music, whatever. I don't know. Okay, just wanted to show you the pawpaw that we got earlier. This is the pawpaw, and I'm just eating it. Probably have another slice as well, just eating half of it. Yeah, so I just came back to show you this. It's delicious. It's so yummy. Thank you so much, guys, for taking the time out of your day to watch my Uganda Diaries vlog. I'm sorry that I took a break with uploading. You know, life happened, life got in the way, life got busy, but I never once stopped thinking about these vlogs that I had to upload, and it kind of stopped me from moving forward to other content, although I have recorded some other content as well. One video of kind of summarizing an event that I went to, and another one a travel vlog, you know, from Lanzarote. So I will get those uploaded as well. The filming of these Uganda Diaries happened last year, but yeah, things have just kept getting in the way. I really do hope that I can eventually become a full-time content creator, because then I can give my 100% into these projects and actually just like improve the quality and everything. But yeah, I do believe that will happen with time. I do believe it's possible. So many people have done it, so why not me? Why not me? You know, but I do believe that I have to be committed and dedicated, and it's not like I don't want to be, and it's not like I don't have the capacity to be. I keep telling myself I have absolutely everything I need to make this work, to make this a success, to make this happen. And anything that I don't have, I can have. And so guys, the more that you continue to support me just by watching, commenting and engaging, the more that it shows me that actually I am doing the right thing. And content just doesn't have to end with just Uganda Diaries. I want to continue doing other travel vlogs and other content that is helpful. You know, I think my heart has been drawn more towards the helpful content, you know, life lessons, things that I've learned along the way. You know, I've been on YouTube for a long time. I've been existing in this world for a long time. So there's definitely so much that life has taught me that I'm just like, wow, I've got to package this in somehow and give it to the world, give it to my followers, give it to the people who have been supporting me all this time. You know, some more profound than others, some simple, so simple, and some that just need to be reiterated, like on a daily basis. Like, you know, those lessons, those like affirmations sort of that need to be reiterated on a daily basis in order to be really driven home. That's the word. You know, when you believe in something, when you have a certain belief systems that you believe will help you in life, you've got to meditate on them. You've got to kind of repeat them. You've got to keep it going, you know? That's how it gets reinforced. You know, there's one particular belief system that I have at the moment, or one that's really been kind of revealed to me over the past couple of years, that I'm just like, this is something everybody needs to know, and that's that a woman must have a plan. Some people come at me saying, no, everybody has to have a plan, but specifically, I just believe that a woman in life just needs to have a plan. Like, she needs to have goals. She needs to have goals, but most importantly, a plan. I guess that's something that I've really wanted to share. Maybe that's even the reason why I've not been on YouTube, because I'm just like trying to figure out my plan, or trying to actually implement my plan. And it is working so far, my plan. Just life plan, as everybody has. But yeah, that's just something that I believe that a woman needs. Yeah. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you tune in for following Uganda Diaries. And so we can move on to other stuff, and of course go back to Uganda and get some more content. And next time, I really want it to be real-time content. You know, I want it to be in the moment content, not like content from like last week or last month. I want to like film a video, edit it that same day, and post it that same day. Like, why not? Like, so many creators do that, and I just want to get better at what I do. I just want to do better, be better, and just always be improving. Anyways, do hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video. If you've come this far, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.